In British and Manx folklore, the first foot is the first person to enter the home of a household on New Year's Day and is seen as a bringer of good fortune for the coming year. Similar practices are also found in Greek and Georgian New Year traditions. The origins of first footing is uncertain, although there may be a connection to the Viking invasion of the British Isles. This may go back to the time of Vikings, when the arrival of a blonde stranger at your door would be the cause of fear and alarm. Whenever a public ritual is suppressed, many continue it at another date. Many customs of first footing parallel those of Samhain, the Celtic New Year, for which fuel was gathered, food collected by reciting verses door to door, and a ritual fire lit to welcome crossing the threshold to the next world. The tradition of first footing and how it is conducted varies from place to place in the north of England. Generally, a tall, dark-haired male is preferred over a man with light hair, or even a woman. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.